I owned the car for 4 years and never knowing there are hose there, and I've been changing oil like every 5 kilometers, and just the oil drain from there, from here, everywhere, in the engine, gearbox, on diff, everywhere, even in start motor. Take it off, and the first want to take the oil filter off to put the intake manifold. To take the intake manifold. Also, when you want to put the intake manifold, you have to do a little bit, give this a little bit of brush, really fine, like 3000 sandpaper or something, just a little bit. Take the oil and the grease it was on here, just to mean when you put the new gasket, it's all will be exactly nice and fitting. You don't want any leaking happen after you install everything. And yeah, we do first thing, I'll take you step by step. We first take the oil filter. After that, I'll show you after what we do. First, we bring my own bucket, put it down here, and this is what I do. I run the hose from the oil filter all the way here, all the way this chunk. Here's some a little bit of stuff when I clean the injectors. Where's the drainage? So we get a hole. Right. Straight away. You can see it. So they okay. And now we this one, we have to put the manifold intake. I want to make sure nothing go inside the oil filter. Another thing you want to be careful when you do this one right or left, you don't want to broke them. It's really expensive to change them and pain in the ass. You don't want to move them around too much. When you put the intake manifold, the best way to remove the oil filter. To put them, it's really nice and easy to move this a little bit back and forth, but yeah, it's the best way. And the previous owner, thanks God, he deleted EGR. This means no gas system or anything going inside. That's really helpful. This means when clean, this was everything nice and clean. Everything perfect. And you have to bring a new gasket to the throttle body and the new gasket to all here. You have to put the new gasket. And this, all the new gaskets here. This is the throttle body one, and this is another gasket. This is the part number. And guys, the other thing to look at, it's really important, it's the nuts. The nuts go out of the manifold. It's really good to have a look at them, like for example mine, because maybe they've been playing with it or something. You can see it's a have a damage. This means next time if you want to take it off, want to be pain in the ass to take it off. It'll be like ruined and nightmare to take it off. And this is why I change all of them. They're eight of them. I change them and I give this a new one. New one, and change them to this one. It's a new one. All of them you have to change the 8. You can't change just one because a little bit, that one a little bit bigger, but it's still the same size. And have the lock on it. It's really nice. And this one is, it's colored with zinc or something. This means the engine area when it's get hot, easy to take off. It's not kind of damage them or melt them or like just remove because the engine shake or anything. This one. And the other thing it's good to check, it's all the fuel line, to make sure no crack, no leaking, no ruining, no heat stuff going on. All the way you have to check it everywhere to make sure everything it's nice before even you put everything back. And make sure, guys, when you wanna install put the intake manifold, you wanna make sure there are no oil or on here, on all of this one. You wanna make sure there are nothing there. This means when you install it, it's really nice, not like any air leak or anything, even in there. And for the gasket, make sure that one, you see the face, that face, this one face the manifold, yep, and the other face the engine, exactly like that. See, exactly like that. See, now nice and flash. Exactly like that should be sitting, not without any force or anything. Yeah, like that. And before I install the intake, I just want to show you guys how clean it is for that edge. How clean it is for the edge of the car. It's make a lot of difference. Highly recommend to delete the AGR. It's been normal gas stuff going on cabin, like all building, all that. And after we put all the gasket, should be like that. I think what I like to use a little bit of copper, just on here, there, a little bit on all the nuts where they want to go, to make easier next time if I want to remove anything, because here this area gets really hot, and you don't want to fight with the nuts to take them off. It's the best way, just a little bit, not much. One in there is the hardest one. That one there. This one is the hardest one. And now, before we talk everything, we want to make sure everything sits properly, injector line properly, everything, nothing in the way, to make sure before even we do anything, just put this line here for now, and after that they go back, just to make sure everything good. And they want to make sure here all clear and nothing in the way before we torque all this. And the best way to tighten this nuts, it's not like, oh yeah, I want to tighten like that way. No, it's start like X. Start from this two, first one here, for example, the first one here, the one above, after that one here, the one here, after that the back, and after that the front, like that, like X, letter X. You want to walk through. You can't just like all of the sudden tight whatever you like. It's not work like this. And the manifold intake, this one, it's a 29 Nm. Have to torque them because much better torque what you can. Say 29. And now I want to make sure the injector line go everything right after we install the manifold. I want to make sure everything stay in the place, and we put the screw back. This is a screw, small one. It's have two, one in the corner there and one here. So you don't have to tighten the stuff now, just like that, to see where you at. Really be careful when you move the fuel line. Like really be careful when you move the fuel line. And this is how it is. This is a new bolt, much better. It's all nice. Next time if you want to take it, it's easy to take. You don't have to fight with them. It's really nice. And yeah, this is how to take, how to put the intake, manifold intake back. And the other thing, see, the EGR, the other previous owner, the other one, he already deleted that one. The owner before me, he deleted, it's nothing there, it's all blank. It's much better. because you don't have to deal with all this close stuff and that, and yeah, because all this carbon, easy